here's a good one for you. Guy hits his garage. It looks like most of it's going to be transfer. It's all down here, and the door is really scratched up. And if you come over here, his paint's really, it's got some swirling, but it's not too bad. I'm going to try and sell him on a detail for later on in the month, because it needs it. It's not horrible. It's a lease, so he doesn't want to spend too much money. But a dealership would go after you for that, thousands of dollars. Oh, we got to paint this. We got to paint this. We got to paint this. Nah, there's some transfer. So first thing we're going to do is remove the transfer. We removed all of the transfer with a tiny bit of acetone. And yes, I know acetone is very dangerous, but it's safer than lacquer thinner because it evaporates so quickly. This is how you get transfer off. Then we're going to polish the areas, and we're going to do the whole door just to kind of blend the repair, and then we should be all set. It doesn't really look like it's too damaged. Yeah. Well, it came out pretty good. Got all the damage out of the door too.
Yeah, it was like all down here.
Yep. All fixed.